Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have another fun video for you guys today. Who doesn't love a good old Amazon haul, especially as we're thinking about traveling more these seasons coming up? I just wanted to share with you guys my top 5 Amazon favorites for travel. I love shopping on Amazon, like I'm sure most of you do as well. It's just so convenient, having 4 kids, a full-time job, just being totally crazy. Every day in life, Amazon is always coming to the rescue. So I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 little travel finds, and I'm going to feature some new outfit styles as well to wear for those travel days. So if you want to check out my little Amazon travel haul, definitely keep watching. Okay, so I love doing a lot of travel, as I talk about on this channel. I travel with my family for the most part, and we love going so many places now that my kids are a little older. We love doing international travel. As you know, we do love a good old Disney cruise. In fact, we have 3 coming up this year. So with all that travel, I definitely spend a lot of time and money shopping on Amazon, picking out items that will work for me and help make those travel days just a little bit easier. So I'm going to start off today's video with some really comfy travel outfits. For me, that's the #1 thing I love shopping for when I travel, or really shopping for anywhere, are really comfy, cozy outfits that work for my lifestyle. So today I have to share with you a really cool brand that I found on Amazon called Zeagoo. And this brand, honestly, I had purchased a couple of items from before on Amazon. They do sell their items on Amazon, but they also offer many other selections on their website. So I want to send a big thank you out to Zeagoo, who sent me the items I'm about to share with you guys, and so that I can test them out and let you know what I think about them, especially with travel in mind. Of course, I will link all of the items I talk about in the description box below, and definitely check out that link, because I am also going to share with you guys not only the link to the site with my favorites, but also a 20% off code as well. So first up, this is my #1 travel outfit from Zeagoo, and it is a comfy, cozy set. Travel sets are #1 for me. You just don't have to think about them. They come with a top and a bottom. You can mix and match them during your stay as well when you're traveling, so it's super versatile. But you want something on the plane or the long car rides that are really comfy and cozy, but also cute. I mean, we always want to look stylish and cute. So the first outfit I want to share with you guys from this line is this really amazing bow set. So here's what it looks like, and I will of course share with you guys a try on, but it's this fleecy material. It comes in black and cream, I believe. Knowing what it looks like in black, I think I'm going to go ahead and pick it up in cream, because I love this. It has an embroidered bow. This is actually embroidered, and it's just a comfy, cozy set. I'm wearing these in a size medium, which for me is generally true to size for these kind of sets. So I think it fits really well here in the try-on. And here is what some of the details look like up close. Here is the tag it comes with the branding. Again, I got a size medium. Look at this embroidered bow. And I mean, this is like a cozy cam, right? Comfy, cozy fleece. So comfortable. I am gonna really enjoy wearing this as we travel, especially to those colder areas that we're looking at going to still for the next few months, you know, skiing, snow visits, things like that. Perfect little set for travel. Okay, so I have another set to share with you guys from Zeagoo, and this is another black set. I love traveling in black because it's so versatile. It's really slimming, which I need these days as well. But this is a total different style, as you can see. So while the last one I showed you was super fluffy, comfy, cozy, this one is a little more streamlined, and one that I think is maybe a little more versatile if you're gonna take it on a long trip. Because you can wear it so many different ways. You can split up this set, and you can dress it up a little bit too. So it's this really nice kind of ribbed fabric, and it's black, but it comes in other colors as well. It has a super exaggerated sleeve, which is really stylish, I think. It's meant to be, I think, off the shoulder, but you can also wear it as a boat neck, as you've seen me style in these try-on videos as well. And it comes with this set with pants with an elastic waistband. It has this drawstring here with really nice attention to detail and little end caps. And then it is a jogger style at the ankle cuff, in case you're wondering. Now this set is a little bit more form-fitted. So I got my usual size medium, but as you can see here, it's a little bit on the form-fitting side. I don't think it's tight, because I think this is how it's supposed to look. but it's definitely more form-fitting. So if you want it a little looser, you might want to consider sizing up. But I got this in my true to size medium, and it's just a nice, versatile, comfy, cozy set. And honestly, this is such a nice lightweight fabric that I think you can wear this almost all seasons of the year too. So let me just show you what this fabric looks like up close. Again, this is the pant, and it has the drawstring here with the really nice end caps. And look at that really cool ribbed material. It's stretchy and really comfortable for travel. So definitely check this version out if you want a little bit of a lighter weight set. Okay, so next up I have another really nice sweater, and this is one of my favorites, I'm gonna say. So I love a basic sweater knit just like this, and look at this color. It's a beautiful cocoa color, which I absolutely love. And it's going to be something that is really soft to the skin. This is really soft material, trust me. I really love the sleeve detail where it's a little bit of a drop sleeve. But this is my classic look in cooler months, just a really nice oversized cozy turtleneck. So I think this is also perfect for travel. I style it here with just basic jeans. I wanted to keep that pretty simple throughout this video with jeans and my really tried and true Veja sneakers that style with all of these outfits. But you can definitely dress this up too, wear it with a nice skirt or pants to dinner, and then just casual around during the day. So really great option as well. And here is what this knit looks like. I mean, this is really high quality and really comfy, cozy. I mean, the color is amazing, and I love this turtleneck because you can definitely play around with it a bit. So this is definitely one of my standout favorites. Okay, so next up I want to share with you guys this really beautiful sweater. It's a turtleneck, as you can see here, but a really nice little design here. I love this colorway. I think it's so beautiful with the pink up at my face, but there are so many other options when you check out the link in the description box. You will see, but this is another great basic to travel with. It's not as thick as the previous sweater that I showed you, so this one maybe is a little more versatile because you can layer over it, but it's also not too warm as well if it gets a little hotter. You can also, of course, scrunch up the sleeves, but I think it's just a beautiful basic turtleneck with a little bit of flair because of the design. So here's what this looks like up close. I mean, look at this detail. I love this little detail here with these seams. I think it just adds so much beauty and luxury to the look of this sweater. And it's honestly a really, really soft material against the skin. I think it's high quality and probably will last quite a bit, I want to say. So I just love the look of this and how versatile it's going to be for me. All right, another must-have for travel, which is available on Amazon as well, is this bomber jacket. So these jackets are so versatile because this is a little bit of a windbreaker style that is super lightweight. As you can see, it really folds down to nothing when you travel, but it's going to be so versatile. It'll be that extra little layer if it's a little misty outside, if it's a little cool. It's great to layer and pack for travel. So this is another one of my travel faves, is just a basic windbreaker here. But this is a stylish one. I love the bomber style. So this one I got in a size large because I wanted a little bit of oversized look. And even in the large, it's not that oversized, just in case you're wondering, but it has really nice details with the zippers there. It's a basic kind of a windbreaker style. It's lined, and it's just a really versatile option for when you travel. Okay, so last up in terms of clothing is what I wanted to share with you is this little dress. And you need something that can be a little dressier for daytime events when you travel, but also you can dress up a little bit for the nighttime if you're going out to dinner, for instance. So this dress hits all of my major points that I need to hit when I'm looking for a travel dress. So as you can see, it's a really nice, comfortable knit fabric. It's long sleeve, so of course I wouldn't wear this during summer months probably, but in these transitional months that we're currently in, I think this is perfect. I styled it here just my basic Veja, so you can wear it around town during the day, but also if you just put some high to the knee boots, booties, or heels, this will dress up perfectly for evening events as well if you're a little bit of a casual type of a dinner. I love this midi length. That's the length of dress I go for. This is definitely workwear appropriate, and I'm definitely gonna wear this to the office. And it's just a really comfy, cozy style with a couple of buttons here, which are functional. It does have pockets, which honestly do add a little bit of bulk, as you can see here. But I love pockets, so I think it's definitely a worthwhile trade-off. But it adds a little bit of bulk, but really versatile dress that's perfect for this time of year. Okay, so as you can see, I got this one in a size medium, my true to size. These are functional buttons here. I love the neckline, so it's not just a basic sweater dress, but it adds a little bit of style. But this fabrication is really breathable, beautiful fabrication. I love this color. So just truly a versatile dress that you can take daytime to dinner, no problem. Okay, so once again, definitely check out my description box below because I'm gonna list for you my referral code and link to these items if you wanna check them out. Some of them are available on Amazon, but others you definitely wanna purchase directly from their own website because you have more options and selections that way. But this is my little travel capsule wardrobe. So I love these looks, they're super versatile. I really love the items that I picked up from Zeagoo. So thank you again to Zeagoo for sending me these to test out for you guys. I definitely highly recommend them. All right, so I'm gonna move on now to other items from Amazon that I love for travel. So that was number one, was comfy outfits from Amazon. I kind of bundled a lot of items in number one, but the topic is comfy outfits. The next one is chargers. So I have so many chargers from Amazon, and in a future video, if you like this kind of style of Amazon video, I will potentially put together more Amazon favorites because I have a lot of them. But by far, my top travel charger is this little guy. And again, I will link these down below. So this one comes in so many different versions, but as you can see, it folds out and it has an option to charge your phone, your Apple Watch, and your Apple AirPods. Really amazing. You plug it into one plug in the wall. This is so handy for travel when in hotels or on cruise ships. You have limited space and limited access to chargers. We're always fighting over chargers in our house. So you just need one plug, you can charge 3 items. So here's what it looks like up close. And again, you can charge your phone here. And my phone I don't have easily handy, but you can imagine how that goes there. I brought my Apple Watch here, and what you do is you just go ahead and place it on this little lever here and it charges your Apple Watch. And this third section here is for your AirPods. So you just place it on here and you plug it in and your phone goes here. What a simple solution to charging. So this is my favorite charger. I've had this for years. It's held up super well. Okay, so number 3 is a way to store all of your tech. So again, I have 4 kids, my husband and myself. We all have multiple tech products. In fact, we probably win one of the awards whenever we go through TSA. They always make a comment because we pull out so many electronics out of our bags to go through screening. So whenever we go through TSA, each of us has things like Apple Watches, phones, AirPods, iPads, laptops, and multiple laptops at that. So it's a little bit insane. So I need a place where I can store all of my tech options here in terms of chargers. So I love this one. This is from BagSmart. I love the line. I know everyone always talks about BagSmart, but I agree. I love this because it's such a flat option. So I can store this easily in any bag. It lays flat in a lot of different bag options. It has a really nice zipper function. And here it is up close. It's quilted, it zips open like I mentioned, and this is literally stuff from my last trip, so I'm probably gonna drop things, but look at how organized things can be. You can fold up all of your tech chargers here. It has a little pocket with a little zipper, so I store some pens in here. I have the blocks here to just sit in here for charging, and then of course hair ties, other little odds and ends too. But this is a great option. I love it just because it's so flat. It fits almost anywhere. All right, so number 4 is a travel fan. So I learned this the hard way, but when we started traveling to Florida in the summer, to Europe, Rome in the summer, with 4 little kids, you can imagine the complaints that I heard. And really what solved a lot of those complaints is just getting these little fans for them, because it just takes that little bit of heat away from your face, and they fought over these. So I love travel fans. Cannot go anywhere in the summer without them. I've tried different versions out, as you can see here. I don't necessarily have an absolute favorite, but if I had to pick one, I might pick this one, and I will link any of these options down below if I can still find them. But some of the options here are a neck fan, and these little portable fans. So here is the neck fan, and it's just supposed to go around your neck like this, and you walk around, and it's supposed to blow air. So I do love using this, as does my daughter. You just charge it here, and then there's a little on and off switch with some different options. So here's the loudest. You can probably hear that. It does make a noise, but not too loud, and it does give you a really nice boost of air. My only issue with this is that it just doesn't blow that much air. So while it's cooling, it's not the best in terms of fans, but it is convenient and hands-free, so I definitely still recommend it. Super convenient, especially if you want to be hands-free. And then these are some other two options. This one here is a cute little bear, as you can see, and I think it's supposed to double as a flashlight. And this probably needs to be charged because I haven't used this in a while. So this is how it looks like when you open it up, and then you just press the button here. There's some USB charge ports there, and you can see it has a really nice fan option. So I think this one is good. It definitely blows air more than the neck fan, as you can probably see by my hair blowing. The downside is that you have to hold it, so that's a little annoying. But it's safe because if you put your finger in it, it stops. So I love that for kids. I mean, it hurts a little, but not a lot. So I love that for kids. This is a really good option if you're looking for something that's really portable. Look at how small it is, and it definitely works really well. Okay, and here's my third option of portable fan. I have so many others, but these are my top styles. This one is another portable option, and here's how loud it is. And it definitely blows air, maybe the best or strongest compared to all of the options. So this was another favorite of my kids. It has a little neck holder here. So I love this. You can also stand it up on the table if you're in a hot hotel room or something near your face. If you're sleeping, it would be really nice if you're doing work at the desk. So I think this is really versatile. The downside, just so you know, is my kid's hair gets stuck in this. So if you put it too close to your hair, the hair gets trapped in there. So that has been kind of dramatic for us. So you have to be very careful. You'll even see some little bits of hair probably still in it when we had to kind of deconstruct this to take their hair out. So that's the only thing. If you have little kids, especially girls with long hair, definitely consider maybe staying away from this one. But if you have older adults or kids, that definitely can be mindful of that. I think this one blows the air the strongest. So definitely a great option, but just be a little wary of the hair getting caught in this. All right, so my number 5 Amazon travel product or category are these. You may be wondering, what are these? Let me show you up close. Okay, so these are little magnetic hooks. So as I mentioned to you, I do a lot of cruising, especially actually only on Disney now, but we do it a lot. So we've slowly realized over the years how we can make our trip as pleasant as possible. So those cruise ships, as you know, are pretty tight. We do get 2 rooms because we have 6 of us. But even that being said, it's pretty tight. And if you're not aware, on cruise ships, I want to say all cruise ships, at least the major ones, all of the walls are magnetic. So definitely take advantage of that for storage. So these are little magnets that you can hook on the walls. Actually, I should say magnetize to the walls. So they come in this pack. They have different sets that you can get on Amazon. I will link an option below. And what you do is when you get to your cabin, you just put these together. So you screw this together. I've used these for years. They've held up really well. So you screw this like this, and look, lo and behold, you have a little hook. You magnetize this to the wall, just anywhere on the entire wall surface, you can hook up these hooks. So as soon as we check in, we go and put up tons of hooks on the walls. This hooks everything. It holds a lot of weight. So clothing items, hats, goggles, things like wet swimsuits work perfectly on here, but this is a great little hack that you can use, especially if you like to travel on cruise ships. This is one of my top finds for travel ever from Amazon. All right, so there you have it. Those are my top 5 Amazon travel categories and items that I wanted to share with you guys. I love travel. I can't wait to start traveling more this year. Comment below, let me know what your favorite travel hacks are as well. I always love learning and getting tips from you guys as well. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments too, because I can definitely put together more Amazon favorites. I personally love watching Amazon favorites videos on YouTube because it gives me a lot of little travel ideas and tips and tricks. And honestly, all of these items on Amazon are so affordable. including those really amazing travel outfits that I shared with you guys in the beginning of the video, that it's fun to try these different products out. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.